This is another camping gadget I want to tell you about. I just got this and I can't believe I never had this before. This basically can fit in the palm of my hand, and it comes with this clip, so you could clip it to your backpack or whatever. And for backpackers and anyone that is camping in a way that they want to minimize their gear, I think this is super important. This is a stove, by the way. So what you do is you open it up and you see how it fits in here. You take it out, and then it actually goes like this, and then you just open up these little things here, and depending on what you put on top, smaller or bigger, you can open it up a little bit wider. You'll see when I make my coffee pot fits on it. You can make it where it's completely flat, so you could put a frying pan on it, and it basically gives out so much heat. You control it with this, you turn it on or off, and this is made by Dragoon Unlimited. I will have the link to the Amazon site where you could buy this. This is really cool. Only thing you need to buy in addition is one of these little fuel cans. You pop this off, put this on, screw it on, and that is it. I think this is so cool. I mean, having a camping stove is awesome, but I mean, my camping stove is this big. It doesn't even have a case. I have to kind of pack it up, and then I have to carry it in a way so that nothing falls out. And this thing, it just fits just like this. I mean, it's so cool. This here is a fire starter. I'm sure you guys know how this works, right? You basically take this, and then you just go like that or like that. Basically any kind of way you make a spark. I don't always use it because I do have a lighter, and it's just easier for me. But if you're trying to minimize your gear, this is the only thing you need. You never need to refill it. It's not gonna get wet like matches. So this is actually something that you buy once and it will last forever. So is this. So I would definitely recommend these. And now you'll see how easy it is for me to make my coffee. It is so cool. I could put it on literally any surface as long as it stands. I'm good. One thing you want to be careful, if it's too cold, you want to make sure that you heat this up. I didn't have to do that. I mean, it's really not that cold right now, but you might just want to put it in your sleeping bag while you sleep. I'm thinking maybe if it's 10 degrees outside or colder, or get some hand warmers and warm it up somehow, but I had no problems. And this one actually, it tells you how many boils and how long it's good for. So this one little can, I used it twice. It's almost full pretty much. So this is a really cool thing to have. I love coffee, and especially espresso. That's all I drink, and this coffee maker actually makes very, very strong espresso. As you've seen it, it's completely black. It's very dark. That's how strong it is. A long time ago, I actually made a video about how to make coffee at your campsite. There are different ways to do it. You could make it over the campfire, and there are different coffee makers, but this is the kind that makes the strongest, and this is what we always used in Hungary. You can actually use it at home on your stove. I could have put it on the campfire, but it's really uneven, that flame, and I think it would take forever for this to be made because this coffee pot is really like only this big, like in diameter. So I don't know, it would take forever. And with this little gadget, this is so much easier. It took me less than 5 minutes to make it, and it packs up so nicely, so totally worth it.